I don't see any other region growing so fast as Asia, as China, in every aspect.
In the future, China and this region will be pivotal in the world development.
With the rise of China, rise of Asia, we see that a lot of companies are looking to enter into the Asian market. Asia Star program is a program targeting at executives in corporations and also startup founders, co-founders, and obviously other innovators in the areas of cross-cultural management, investment pitch, workshop, how to expand it into Asia, and digital transformation, AI, and manufacturing. 5 days in total, very intense.
From early morning with the Tai Chi program, then meeting with the fantastic professors who are practicing in the top Chinese companies, then meeting with all the companies who are leading in the world right now. JD.com, Tencent, BYD is very intensive.
I do not see many better ways to extract information and the feeling of the Asian markets in 1 week than what we have here. We have extremely experienced professors. They show you how things work in practice.
They try to empower us on how the Chinese company tackle the challenge in the global arena. It's very important for overseas business if they want to come to China.
I believe that the technology, AI, as one of the bigger disruptor, can be also game changer. You need to come to China to see how the new modern companies are scaling up, and sometimes it's incredible.
I think these are the best platform to understand the Chinese culture and all the ecosystem.
People who are looking for AI execution advices, they can really come here and have a maybe new idea.
How to combine the technology, AI, with customer experience, with the new approach to marketing.
I'm living inspired with the ideas for our business, with a very important message in my head. I have to come here every year to be future ready.